This is just a random rant video because I love making videos and they just help me feel so good. And yeah, so update. College is started and it is not so fun, uh, which is quite the opposite because I thought it would be fun. But yeah, it's not bad, it's just too much for me. If y'all are wondering, I go to NMIMS. Yeah, pretty much. It was my dream college, so pretty happy. I'm doing BCom. I applied for BB, of course. I'm expecting an upgrade. I don't know, but I'm still hopeful, manifesting. But I'm in BCom currently, and when I tell you it's hectic, ये मेरी टिकली हाँ, it is hectic, okay, and भाई मतलब नहीं यार मैं आई वॉज लिटरली हैविंग आई फेल्ट लाइक आई एम गोना हैव अ लाइक क्रैश डाउन a breakdown and I almost had one today. And it's not like you should, if you're like, if you're feeling like you should cry, but the point is it is genuinely too much for me because मैं भाई अभी तक 3 पूरे हफ्ते भी नहीं हुआ है and I've already given 4 interviews, okay, and I have signed up for 2 clubs already. And yeah, and I'll tell you, मेरा भाई सुबह 11 बजे से, because I am a non-accountancy student and we have bridge courses which I am so grateful for. I didn't expect them to do that, but they are doing that and it's absolutely amazing. So if you're wondering how NMIMS is in the terms of rigor, like, polishing students, getting the work done, they are the best because they are so particular and strict and put together in that when a lot of students might be against that because you don't get a lot of leisure and like free time, at least when you're in college. Even the breaks are quite small, and sometimes if you stay out and if you like are late, you are going to be like, you are going to be grilled by the teacher sometimes, not every time, but that is probably because this is the starter. If like, आगे जाके I don't think they want to get any more lenient, right? या सो दे ट्राई टू बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग समटाइम्स व्हेन मतलब बहुत कॉमन हो गया, तुम लोग को पता नहीं क्या अभी तो 2 हफ्ते से ऊपर हो गया, वाई यू लेट, यू आर नॉट अलाउड, बैठ जाओ पर अटेंडेंस नहीं मिलेगा, ऐसा वाला सीन होता है, ठीक है. सो आई थिंक दे आर वेरी गुड इन द मैटर ऑफ पॉलिशिंग स्टूडेंट्स एंड 3 years में तो कोई भी हो जाएगा. सो दैट इज़ प्रेटी ग्रेट. या पर मेरा क्रैश डाउन क्यों हो रहा है? भाई मेरे को लगा नहीं था ऐसा होगा बिकॉज आई कम फ्रॉम अ कम्पिटिटिव साइंस जर्नी एंड इट वॉज ऑलरेडी सो हेक्टिक एंड लाइक लाइक टू मच फॉर मी ओवर देयर. दिस इज नॉट दैट लेवल एकेडमिकली, तो ईजी है, हो जाता है, बट भाई सो मेनी थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग एट वन टाइम. लाइक ओरिएंटेशन अटेंड करो, फिर क्लब में पार्टिसिपेट करो, क्लास में पार्टिसिपेट करो. एंड या आई वाज टेलिंग कि मेरा सुबह 11 बजे चालू होता है बिकॉज आई एम नॉन अकाउंटेंसी स्टूडेंट. सो ब्रिज क्लासेस 11 से 12 होती है, फिर ब्रेक होता है, फिर मेरा 1:30 टू currently 6:50 तक lectures है, at least on Wednesday, Thursdays and Fridays. So you can imagine that the timing is pretty long. So you can have classes anywhere, like anywhere from 5 hours. Sometimes you only have 3 hours classes, sometimes 4 hours, sometimes you have 5 hours. And अभी तो मेरा कॉलेज चालू है. Imagine kids that are in second year, third year, that are a part of clubs too. So they literally stay back and they've told me, sometimes you might have to stay back. But I think मैंने जितने लोगों से मिला, at least with regarding to the clubs, they were so kind to me. They are like, if you live far, we leave your folly. So I think people are good. मैंने उतनी किसी से बात नहीं की because God, someone transfer some, I don't know, something to me to make me talk to people, because I am like, okay, you want to talk to me, you can please talk to me, but I will approach you. वो तो होने से रहा भाई, मैं मतलब mad, okay. But yeah, I like observing people first and understanding what type of people they are, at least from my POV, which is of course not accurate, I'm not saying, but how I feel you are, and then I'll approach you, okay, because I have a certain criteria. Is this sounding too like, oh my god, she's so particular and reserved? No, it's not like that, but it's just like I prefer a certain type of people and I like observing people for a while before I actually take an initiative or feel like, okay, this is a good person to hang around with and stuff. So yeah, but that is college updates, and this is going to go on YouTube just like that because I'm already so tired and burnt out and just done with life. Not even 3 weeks done of my college. That is crazy. Okay, but reach out to me if you all need anything, especially with NMIMS. I think a lot of people were curious. Even I was curious before I got in. I cannot probably tell you a lot as a fresher, but if you all have any doubts regarding NMIMS, you can definitely ping me. Because I don't have a lot of subscribers, it talks like I'm talking. It looks like I'm talking to nobody, but I think that's actually good, because you can disclose a lot without a lot of. You can disclose a lot without a lot of people not watching you. So knowing that a lot of people are not watching you, knowing that a lot of people are not watching you, you can disclose a lot. Okay, you get it. You get it. हाँ, तो भाई वही सीन है कि बस ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है. ट्रैवल करो, मेरा तो दिन का 3 घंटा मिनिमम ट्रैवल, उससे तो ज़्यादा ही जा रहा है रोज़. उसके ऊपर फिर कॉलेज का 6 घंटा अटेंड करो, 5-6 घंटा जो भी है. भाई मेरी तो निकल जाती है. आज तो निकल गई मेरी 11 बजे से 7 बजे तक तो कॉलेज में ही है. 7 के पहले 6:30 तक तो कॉलेज में ही है. कभी कभी जल्दी छोड़ देते हैं, पर उतना टाइम कॉलेज में रहना, उसके ऊपर 3-4 घंटे का ट्रैवल करना. But be like, if you're planning to come to NMIMS and if you live far, you should be prepared for stuff like this. But this is my college updates, and I know and I hope and I know that it will get better. So yeah, making a video makes me feel good. It's not a lot, like I have to say. Shifting from commerce also is not very, very, like, if you come from science, it's not so hard because science is like, bhai, you know what science is. Come on, if you come from the competitive journey especially. But yeah, they are also taking bridge courses, so that was unexpected. But that's great that they are doing that. It helps us a lot. Teachers are good, clubs are good, everything is amazing. You just need to not be casual, because yeah, that's something they specify a lot. If you want to be casual, you do not choose an MIMS. You choose an MIMS, you do not be casual. Yeah, but it's good, because I am not casual any which way, so no problems with that. It's just like it's getting so hectic these days, yaar. भाई इतना मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा कि मैं किधर आ गई. Why did I choose NMIMS? And not like in a really intense way, like I'm seriously contemplating. Just like I'm so burnt out. Yeah, how many times have I used that word? But that is it. This video is not making me feel good, but I hope that it reaches out to some of y'all and it makes something. Yeah, whatever. No, don't say whatever. Yeah, that is so. Who says whatever on a video? There are people gonna watch this. Okay. I have signed up for the Road Track Club and Sustainability Club for French. Only 2 clubs till now. कितने इंटरव्यूज है यार, बहुत इंटरव्यू कराते, बट नाइस पीपल. भाई प्रेजेंटेशन आ गया. भाई 3 हफ्ता हुआ नहीं, प्रेजेंटेशन आ गए. ICS सीटीज आ गए. 3 सीटीज तो लाइंड अप है भाई साहब. अगस्त से चालू हो रहा है, फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अगस्त से. Absolutely be prepared if you're coming to NMIMS, because they are quick and you need to catch up, and it's not like it's tough to catch up. अगर तुम स्टार्ट से पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, उनके पेस पे पढ़ाई करो तो तुम्हारा अच्छे से होने वाला है, ठीक है. बट द थिंग इज पोर्टल अपडेट करो, फिर वाईफाई के साथ मेक श्योर कंप्यूटर इज कनेक्टेड, ये वो क्लब्स ओरिएंटेशन, इट्स अ लॉट इनिशियली. सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू डू नॉट be casual or leave behind stuff, because you need to be on point, like क्या बोलते हैं उसको, यू नीड टू बी ऑन टाइम विथ थिंग्स. पोर्टल अपडेट करने बोला तो अपडेट करो, वाईफाई से पीसी कनेक्ट करने बोला तो पीसी कनेक्ट करो, और वो सब तभी होगा जब पोर्टल अपडेट होगा. फिर इनसे बात करो, वो करो, ये कर लो, टाइम पे कर लो, बिकॉज ICA इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड अगर पोर्टल अपडेट नहीं हो तो ICA नहीं. ओके, व्हाटएवर. इफ़ यू नीड मोर इन्फो, यू ऑफकोर्स रीच आउट. बट 3 हफ्ते हुए नहीं कि हमारे ICA का नोटिस आ गया. 1 महीने के अंदर हमारा पहला ICA हो रहा है, पहला प्रेजेंटेशन हो रहा है. It's good. I enjoy stuff like this, but it can get too hectic, and it's not a bad thing. It's initially just it's only human. Okay, so don't feel bad. Yeah, I should tell that to myself. I should get more sleep. Do you know how much my sleep is affected? Okay, stop. Okay. Yeah, bye.